All right, so we are focusing on Mold-Tek packaging right now. Mr. J.Lakshmana, who's the CMD at Mold-Tek, is joining us now to talk more about the company, run rate and growth, etc. Mr. Rao, afternoon. Thank you so much for your time. We are looking at your square packs, part of the business. Very strong volume growth there. FMCG about 15% growth. Lubes are slightly single digit. How do you see, and paints of course is flattish. Each of these segment, what kind of growth are you witnessing in 12 to 24 months?
See, you all know that we have been setting up 3 plants for Aditya Birla Group Grasim Paint Company. So those 3 plants are up and running now. 2 plants, Panipat and Cheyyar, have started commercial production. And Mahad may take another 7-8 months to go on stream as per the timelines given by Grasim. So these 2 plants, we see good volume pickup in March itself, especially in Cheyyar. And hopefully from April, even Panipat volumes may start picking up. So next year, we anticipate at least 3,000 to 3,500 tons. That's almost 10%, 8 to 10% of our volume growth can come from Aditya Birla Group business, we anticipate. And as you correctly said, the square packs continue to grow because of 2 reasons. One is we are pressing our patent rights in the courts, and courts have given orders impinging the production lines of our competitors who have copied our IP rights. So that is indirectly helping us, and also bigger players have started adopting our square packs. Thereby the volume growth is touched almost 80 to 85% over the last year numbers. So going forward, we still continue to expect 30 to 40% growth in our square pack business and double-digit growth in food and FMCG. Lubricant might be just in 2 to 3% growth rate. But paints, unlike last year where we have in the 9 months witnessed a 5% drop in volume, could be a positive number to the tune of 5 to 10% in the coming year. So all this put together, we are aiming at 15 to 18% CAGR growth in the coming few years. And Pharma is also just started trial production, and commercial production will be effective later in March or early April.
Good afternoon, Mr. Rao. This is Shrishti also joining in. My next question I wanted to ask was on the pharma space itself, because the street is now anticipating that this could be a big opportunity for you. And since you highlighted that the pharma packaging segment you have just started, tell us more on that front. What kind of an investments that you are putting in, and what's the scope of growth in this particular business? What kind of companies that you are eyeing? And how much volume this could give you a push to your overall volumes?
We are really excited about our entry into pharma because it's a huge market. The regulated market itself is the tune of 3,500 to 4,000 crores. And the domestic market is evolving because more and more consciousness about the cleanliness, hygienic packaging is increasing even for domestic needs. So with that in mind, I would guess the pharma packaging in India is more than 5,000 crores as of today, including the regulated market. And even if we aim to reach 5 to 10% of that in the next 3-4 years, there will be a sizable volume addition. And as I explained and given in our press note, we are entering with 3 product lines. Unlike many of our competitors who are either in 1 or 2 of the lines, we are entering in 3 lines. One is regulated, that is export-oriented tablet packs with child-resistant caps and ordinary caps. 2 is desiccant canisters with latest technology of laser marking and single-piece molding. And 3rd is effervescent tubes. There also we have an USP of in-mold labeling as the first time in the country. So with all these 3 new product lines, we feel that we will be able to penetrate the huge pharma market in a much faster manner. Already samples have been given and trial supplies have started to some of the leading players. But as I said, most of these pharma companies, be it Sun Pharma, be it Dr. Reddy's, or NATCO, or MSN, Lares, we are in touch with, they will only give us clearances after they audit our facilities, check the stability tests. Effervescent tubes and canisters could go a little faster, whichever are consumed for Indian market, but and even tablet packs. But whichever are consumed for the regulatory markets, they will take 3 to 6 months for giving approvals. But starting from April, that is Q1 itself, we will be seeing some numbers in pharma rolling in. And towards the end of the year, I foresee that it will be a decent number to talk about.
Mr. Rao, thanks very much for your time. Good luck on those plans going forward. Well,
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.